Hello.
Uptown Swing.
This is level 2, tempo. Maddie Peter. Y'all did really good this week. We're like doing kind of relatively simple things that are hard to do fast and making them smoother and better. So we started out with one thing that's a great fast step. Jig kicks, rock step, kick step, rock step, kick step. Kick step is just a 6 count, y'all. Same as rock step, triple, or rock step, hold. It's the same, but we do it with the kicks. The one thing we requested is that we get the old stick out of the butt and we don't just go Lucky Charms style. Kick. It's a little Irish dance in there. There's nothing against it, but not the right vibe. We want rock step. Move your body a little bit. Hey, ho. So when we're here, hey, ho. Hey, just try that to get the vibe. We'll do very well with that.
Yes.
Then we did a circle.
Circles.
We made the circle better. Leaders, I really asked you to come around on the circle, like come across this way, turn a lot, and keep it zooming all the way back. And there's this sort of feeling of like, come this way, the vector this way, zooming through the whole time, not stopping.
Followers, we didn't try to zip to our leader's side. We were really trying to hang out and get towed that whole time and not opening up so that we were falling backwards.
And we did the same thing with triple steps and without triple steps. You can cut those triples to be a little lazy with the feet, but when your foot stops, your body has to keep going. Not, that doesn't work. Zoom, and you really got more zoom. It looked really good. Other thing we did was just some normal 6 count, moving around. Hey, ho, rock step. Hey, that's kind of the tricky way. This is maybe the easy way, but it's just like some connective tissue for a fast dance you can do and take it easy. Sometimes you can just hold those steps. Followers sometimes can, sometimes they gotta move.
Yep, just do whatever move or step is gonna keep you alive on the dance floor.
Yeah, don't fall down. Then we did some basic Charleston. Y'all did great. See you next week.